It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? Well, on this collab today, I'm just sharing what the balcony looking like. I don't have this table over here anymore where I can see down under this plant shelf, and it needs dusting, and I need to store those extra character planters, put them up somewhere. Those came from the Dollar Tree when they was $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I have several of them. I think I bought a case of those things. And these little characters like this, the ladder ones, I bought a case of those too. So they help decorate the garden, help things look nice over here. I just came to share what we're looking like. We still need to do this, that, and other. My beautiful black rose plant, looking all gorgeous. Doing what a little bit I can do out here. Some things need water, a lot of water. I better take care of that because they're not gonna make it if I don't. Okay, so this is just an update. Taking care, doing garden maintenance a little bit anyway. Y'all ain't hurt, my hand hurt, back hurt, so I gotta do it little by little. Yep, and it's a small balcony. Look like I would have everything done, huh? Eventually. Okay, thank y'all. Look at the title of this video. It's the hashtag. You click on it, you'll go to the playlist to see who was involved in this collaboration, and you can go and check out the videos. Just click the hashtag in the title. It'll take you to the playlist, and you can enjoy all the videos that you might have enjoyed previously and would like to see again, or ones you haven't seen. All right, thank you. Have a great gardening day. Bye for now. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.